Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today's video is a super exciting video. Not only is it a giveaway with 2 winners, but we also have a haul from Yesstyle here that was sent over to me in celebration of their 15th birthday. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this. We'll try on some of the makeup that is included, and I will tell you how you can enter to win a $50 Yesstyle gift card. Hey, come here. Come closer. Come here. I gotta tell you something. Come here. I might also sneak into this video some life updates that I have been absolutely dying to share, but I'm only now finally allowed to. I know that part of the video is probably not going to be for everybody, so rest assured there will be timestamps in the description box below. You all know the drill. Let's start unboxing this. I think we'll start with, it's a real mix of everything, so I think we'll start with skincare. So the first item they sent over is the I Do Care Cake My Day Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. I've tried this before. There's a cute little scoop in it. I've not had the full size. I had a sample from Ulta. But it is a cute product. It's a hydrating wash-off mask with all these little sprinkles in it. And it does smell like frosting. You know what? I think it's the vanilla. I think anytime you add vanilla into a product, it makes it smell like cake or cookies or frosting. I'm telling you, that's the secret. This is exciting. The Some By Me Super Matcha Pore Tightening Serum. So this is 93% green tea extract, niacinamide, a lot of different extracts in here, so undoubtedly very rich in antioxidants, tea tree leaf water. I did have a reaction from the one Some By Me product I tried in the past, but I think that's because it was a very strong product. I'm hoping this will go just fine. Yeah, what was it? It was the AHA, BHA mask. That did not work out for me, but I have a feeling it was just that product. So I'll give this a try in the future. Do you want to laugh at what they sent me? I mean, I'm not laughing in a negative way. The CosRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, which has now been in every single one of the last 3 videos I've posted. At least it's my absolute favorite skincare product of all time. Cannot complain. And then a cute little scalp massager. I actually have something similar to this that I had bought from Birchbox quite a few years ago. It's actually nice. It really does feel very stimulating and relaxing as you massage it into your hair while you're shampooing. We'll save the makeup and I'll show you the clothing pieces. You all know I love Yesstyle clothing. Have a haul if you're interested in seeing more of their pieces. So actually the shirt that I'm wearing, just a casual t-shirt which is perfect for days like today. And then this really cute little 2-piece set. I love how it's the clothing that I've been able to try because you know I'm trying so much skincare and makeup products already. But yeah, I've been able to try these. So you already saw me wear this in... Was it Monday's video? Was it Monday's? I think it might have been. But yeah, it's actually cute. It's that same thick material that I was describing in my last Yesstyle haul. It's really nice. I do need to do the clipping of the loose threads, as you can see, but not a big deal. I've already washed this twice, by the way, so, you know, again, Yesstyle clothing does actually hold up well. And this is made to just go under that, or I guess you could wear it on your own, although it's a little cropped for my liking personally, but it is cute for under it. This is probably my favorite piece right here. I wore this in the Forever Chemicals video. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Even though one of you said I looked like a missionary or something like that, and I can't deny that you were correct. And then the makeup that I'm trying on today, so an entire brush set. We'll get to this in a second. I'm really excited about this. I actually currently don't have a lot of clean brushes because my life is a little disheveled. You'll understand why soon. So cannot wait to try those. The McQueen Waterproof Pin Eyeliner. I already received one of these in the past from Yesstyle and I really enjoyed it. And then the Black Rouge Air Fit Velvet Lip Product. I have liked the Korean lip products that I've tried in the past, so this is another exciting try on for today. If you are interested in any of these products, I will have everything linked in the description box below, along with my Yesstyle rewards code, which is, of course, Rabbit Hole. And then the giveaway rules. So these are incredibly short little rules here. I'll have some full rules in the description box below, but overall, very short. Makes me feel like I should give away more gift cards instead of mailing stuff. Anyway. So there are 2 US $50 coupons available for 2 winners, and the rules are you must be subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit like on today's video, follow Yesstyle over on Instagram, and comment below what you would like to try from Yesstyle. I'm also going to add, make sure you have a way for me to get in touch with you, as I will need to collect your email address in order for you to receive the gift card. Probably, obviously, but yes, I will need some way to communicate with you, and I don't recommend you just type your email address. You can, but know that there's bots that crawl all over YouTube, and I don't really know a lot about what their purpose is. I just know they are tremendously annoying. Oh, trust me, every YouTuber in existence can tell you how annoying the bots are. I never had to use the blocked words feature until a barrage of bots, so now I have certain brand names that are blocked. Yeah, I had to block brand names. And weird stuff too. One was like, was it a movie service or something? I don't know. It's just not at all relevant to this channel. But yeah, I hate bots. Anyway, let's do a really small little try-on today. I'm not going to do a ton of makeup. Just, obviously, I haven't done any so far, so we'll do some. All right, here, I'll take out my little BH Cosmetics holder and transfer these. Oh, it's going to crinkle. It's going to make a lot of noise. You want an ASMR segment? So, we bought a house. Millennials can't do that, believe me, I know. I am so incredibly grateful that it happened, but as you can guess, it's also going to probably be a little stressful. That's not all, though. We bought a house on the east coast of Florida, which is indeed the exact reason why I had to up and go on a quick little vacation. It wasn't really a vacation, it was a house buying effort. I think it was successful so far, but oh my goodness, there are so many moving parts to moving. My goodness. I now know what a lot of words mean, like escrow and mortgage. But yeah, a lot of moving parts, and if you're wondering, whoa, why are you moving to Florida? It's because my partner has taken the job offer of her dreams. So I just used the Ritual Defee Color Nectar Pigment Balm in Blood Flower, which is surprisingly subtle, right? Let's try out these e.l.f. Putty Bronzers, or one shade, I'll say. These were in that PR box that I talked about last week. It's nice to see how deep this bronzer goes. I know that's been a concern for some people. Now to see if the light one here, Tan Lines, is light enough. It probably is. I will say in some real talk here, while I'm very excited about this move, oh my goodness, y'all, I have wanted to own my own home for my entire life. I really thought it was going to be impossible. I'm a millennial. I'm not even supposed to be able to... Is this picking up anything? I'm going to try out this Real Techniques stipple brush and maybe use the other brush to move it around. What was I saying? I heard myself say the word millennial. Was I about to say millennials are poor? I'm sure I was. But you know, I've been frustrated for a long time at how hard it is to save money, how hard it is to achieve the same goals of past generations. Now, I don't hold anything against previous generations. I know there's a lot of that type of attitude. I don't like to think that way. I think it's a lot larger of a problem. Blaming individuals from other generations doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But, you know, yeah, it has been frustrating. I think it's really just inflation without wages really catching up. Even with a good job, everything is so expensive that it makes it very hard. And renting is just like giving your money away, whereas when you're paying off a house, that's your house that you're paying on. So it's just been something I've always wanted to do, and I grew up poor. So I have never in my life, lived in a home that I owned or that my family owned. So this is huge for me, but undeniably, there's going to be probably a lot of stress. I'm already breaking out quite a bit, which in terms of my channel, I'm gonna try everything within my power to keep it going as per usual, but we will have to pause trials. Which is the exact reason why I haven't posted a Geek and Gorgeous review yet. I've decided to just go ahead and expand that for as long as I can, so it'll be about between 1 and 2 months of reviews. We've never done a trial that long. Oh, that looks really nice, doesn't it? That looks nice. Let me blend it into my hairline a little better, but that does look nice. Okay, let me see if I can do this McQueen pin eyeliner on camera. Do you like my brows? I have run out of brow pencil every day this week. But yeah, this is actually the very end of my Anastasia, what's that one called? Brow Wiz? Yeah, Brow Wiz. Now, my personal stress levels are admittedly kind of high. They are kind of high. I already had to quit my job, which I had just started, so it wasn't actually difficult to do. It's just kind of concerning to not quite know what I'll do next. One thing I will tell you though is there's a bit of a surprise gift when you have a master's degree, no matter what it's in, and that is that people kind of treat you differently. So I tend to escalate in positions a lot faster just because people hear that I have a master's and say, okay, well, you're capable of doing more tasks and being paid more. But oh, I am really, really going to miss New Orleans. It's something that, you know, when I first moved here, I didn't really understand why the city had rebuilt after Katrina, but it did not take me long at all to figure it out. There's something so special about this place, and special in the way that people interact. There's just so much warmth and kindness and a complete lack of judgment. So on one hand, I am kind of nervous about that. On the other, I'm not too worried. You know, life finds a way. And if nothing else, I was thinking about actually finishing my PhD, which I started over at the University of Florida. Oh, hold on. Can you imagine exuding that much school spirit? You can't. You can't imagine it. Oh my gosh, the only catch is out-of-state credit hour prices. Huh? Why? Why? Just why? Oh, I should have exfoliated my lips before I did this. Hopefully this is a forgiving lip product. I feel like Korean lip products typically are a little more hydrating. We'll see. Oh, it's a matte product. It's matte. Oh, I like the color though. I do like the color. That is not hydrating at all. It's the exact opposite. It's not uncomfortable though, I will say that. It's not uncomfortable. I had it in my head that I was going to use so many more of these brushes today, but I kind of like this look. I feel like I'm already done. I am so glad that the simple makeup look is in right now. That is very convenient for my present situation. Well, this means I can go accomplish a lot of stuff today. I can pack one more box today, and then I'll pack another box tomorrow, and another the next day, and then 97 boxes the night before we actually leave. Truer words were never spoken, you all know it. If you have moved, you know it. So I think that's really all. No, that's not all I have. I want to tell you one more thing. So I do have some plans for this channel. I think I'll be able to keep up the 3 videos a week, and I have a bonus coming for you. I'm going to try on 6 different sunscreens over 6 days. My plan is to make short videos. You can do it, Alice. You can make short videos. I feel like that'll work really well with this situation because I can apply my sunscreen like I always do every day anyway, and then, you know, pack through the day and do some check-ins. So hopefully they're easy to film, but still helpful videos for you. I know sunscreen is not only the most important step in skincare, but also kind of difficult to find the perfect one for you. So I'm hoping we can have fun with that series. And also feel free to comment below any of your advice. If any of you have any first-time home buyers advice, trust me, I want to read what you have to say so badly. I feel like it makes sense that it's not as easy as buying, I don't know, a lipstick. You know, there's a whole lot more that's invested in it, but I didn't expect it to have so many difficulties, so many obstacles, so much you have to work on along the way. But that is it for today's video. I finally shared with you a long overdue life update. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do make sure to enter into the giveaway. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you to Yesstyle for sending these products over, and I will see you all next time.